guys, this is the Victory Beast, and today I'm teaching you, yes you, how to do the D-Low bubble roll, or just the bubble roll, because I know multiple people do it now. So, yeah. Oh, first though, a fan requested that I change the lights to be green. Wait, no, that's not green. So, I'm keeping them green for this video. Also, the lighting is so sweet. Wait. So, yeah. Okay, so this sounds pretty simple once you get the two components. So, the first component is the slizzer roll, which I'll do a separate tutorial on the slizzer roll if you can't do that, but it's pretty simple. Just your tongue on the top of your mouth and then suck in. And then the second part is the Mr. Wobble's difficult / typical drop sound, and it's yeah. I already did a tutorial on that sound. If you can't do it, you make like a fish face and then breathe in with your tongue on the roof of your mouth. So you combine these two and you get, it's pretty simple, but you have to work on making the difficult drop sound, Mr. Wobble's sound, less like, just cleaner. Just get it cleaner instead of, you need, or like, that's the perfect spot right there. And so, yeah. I'll see you guys in the next video.